here at 2435 Joust Drive. What we're looking at first is all the shingles that are actually gone. We have, in total, southward facing slope, 30 missing shingles. As far as creased and flipped up shingles, I really didn't look on this side. The only reason I say that is because this will be totaled out, and that is the front. Take a look at the back side here. Did want to point out there's small hail hits here on your vents, and it's actually consistent. There are some hail hits on the gutters and downspouts as well. Now, as far as the flipped and creasing, it is difficult to see it on the video, the actual crease, but we're just looking for shingles that have lost that seal completely. This is what they're looking at. They call it a zipper. Just more evidence of wind damage. So there's about 8 or 9 flipped and creased here on the back, and there's that one missing here on the back. Alrighty, that pretty much wraps it up here, so I will see you on the ground.